Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in Brentwood, Tennessee, man. We doing this Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 G-Wagon AMG B8 by Turbo Edition. I know y'all see it all the time on the channel, but once again, like I tell you, we constantly keep seeing the same thing. That means somebody's doing something right. It's all about consistency, and I consistently make sure I'm here and I'm being on time. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this interior real quick. Go ahead and knock it out real quick. If you see, it got your typical debris. No dirt be hiding back there. So you gotta make sure that you gotta, get under the seats, things like that. You know what I mean? Just clean the seats, move the baby seats. See, it's just dirty. Make sure you wipe down the doors. And like me and my brother was talking yesterday, a lot of these AMGs got so much material to wipe down, boy, it get a little excessive, man. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in this interior first. Knock this out. Go ahead and give it a good clean vacuum, wipe down doors, windows, wheels, and then we're gonna work on this exterior, knock it out. But like I said, it ain't nothing we can't handle over here, man. You already know how it go, man. Over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. We love what we do. And on that note, we're gonna continue to bring y'all the best stuff on this channel. Like I said, go check out True Lounge TV. That's the new podcast me, my homeboy Pierre and Shamira got going on. And also my kids' channel is called Young World TV. Go check that out. And then you watch the TY38 alumni channel. And we're gonna continue doing what we do, man. So on that note, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're not, man, still hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, share. You already know the rest of the script. Turn on all post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 finally finished, man. It didn't take that long. It took about an hour and a few minutes, but we got the car completely clean. Wheels, windows, everything. Car got a shine to it. It is gleaming. But I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of what the interior came out. It was a little dirty, but like I say, y'all know it ain't nothing we can't handle over here. But you already see the interior right now. Seats clean, you know what I mean? Console wiped down thoroughly. Monitors, windows clean, mirrors, whole 9 yards. But we got the car completely clean. Seats, whole 9 yards. But I'm about to head to my next stop. We got 2 more cars to the next stop, and then I'm done for the day. Go do something with these kids. Enjoy this beautiful Saturday. But like always, man, I hope you're having a great day. Be grateful, be blessed, and do not stress. And remember, if you have any issues, talk to somebody, man. Sometimes we just need to talk to somebody. I know a lot of people say therapy is the way, but therapy is not for everybody, man. So if you can find a way to cope, you know what I mean, without, abusing yourself, do that. And like always, man, one love. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee still, man. We out here doing this Porsche making. We already did the interior of the car. The interior of the car was pretty clean, wasn't that dirty, just had little crumbs here and there. But the exterior of the car is pretty dirty. If you look at the wheels, that's a heavy coat of brake dust, like heavy. So if you look, man, it's dope. It's dirty, but inside of the car is pretty clean. If you see, really not that bad. So we're finna go ahead and knock out this exterior real quick. And we got one more car here, which is an Audi Q5. But right now we're doing this Porsche making. But I hope you're having a great day. And on that note, let me get to my job, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. We just finished this Porsche making right now. We working on the other car right now, but we got the car looking great. We didn't shine the tires yet. We do that usually last, but we got the whole car clean in and out. Car do need a good wax job, I will admit. If you can see those lines on the car right there, definitely needs a good wax. But other than that, car looks good. But if you see, the sky is very clear. But yeah, other than that, man, it's a beautiful day. Like I say, last car I'm working on. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this beautiful day with my kids. You know what I mean? But we got the car completely done on the inside. You know what I mean? Car, like I told y'all before, didn't really take much to do it, so I don't really need to show y'all much. But I'm gonna go ahead, hit a spray wax on this car, things like that. But on the other note, man, keep doing what you gotta do. I'm gonna keep doing all I do, man. Stay consistent, stay relentless, stay persistent. And on that note, man, stick to the script. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We working on the last car of the day right now, which is this Audi Q5 right now. I'm already working on the exterior of the car. Then we're gonna work on the interior. But if you look, you can see how dirty this wheel is. Got a lot of brake dust accumulated on it. But if you go look on the back one, you can see already the difference. We already back here washing it, like I say, using a trusty brush. Sometimes, you know, good brush to use when you you know, want to cut it down on it. But you know, you get up in the you know, the lip of the wheel. You know what I mean? See? So, you know, but other than that, and then once we move the wheels, we do the same thing. We also wash up in here. You know what I mean? Good wash. And then, like I say, you hit the wheel. Hit it with so, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the car, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We finally finished this Audi, man. Got the whole car completely done, in and out. Only thing we haven't done yet was tire shining tires, but the rest of the car is done. Windows, wheels, vacuum, seats cleaned off, things like that. But other than that, the car have came out perfectly. She already came out, looked at the car. She's very enthused with the work, like always. We take so much pride in what we do over here. And like I say, this is an Audi Q5. Hurry up, get the ball. But we finna go ahead and head to the house, man. This is the last car today. And like always, man, we stay committed to the process. So I hope you stay committed to whatever you're doing out there, man. Like always, one love, man. Love thyself, man. Look in the mirror and say I love you. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38.